Yo, what up, guys? So, our second trade for today, being Saturday, just hit the final take profit. I just checked now and saw that it has hit the final take profit. So, I'm just going to walk us through how I was able to generate signals. Meanwhile, I didn't just take this trade by myself, I also shared it with the community members as well. Yeah, so I shared it with the community members. I'm going to show us the time when the chart was posted, the signal was posted, and okay, let's look at it here. This 8:47 a.m. Sell V10 1x, minimum lot size 0.5. You can see that. You can see when the signal was posted, and so far I kept on updating them on the moves. I kept updating because that's just how the whole thing works. I don't just drop signals and leave them by themselves. I keep updating, right? I updated here, told them what to do at every point in time. You can see the steady updates. Even though, yeah, I later shared another signal which is still playing. That V10, not V10 1x. This is just V10 signal, which is actually going very well as it stands. Okay, so I've been updating them. Eventually, it hit. Look at where it hit the final tip. You can see that. So let me just walk us through how we were able to generate this very signal. How did I know? What did I see that made me know that that this trade was definitely gonna sell? Mind you, when you look at the higher time frame of this V10 1x, you discover that it's been in a downtrend. And the rule is very simple: follow the trend, right? Follow the trend until it ends. Do whatever the trend is doing. That's my mantra. That's my strategy. That's just simply what I do in the market. And so after yesterday's sporadic sell that pushed it down to this very level. Now let me mark out the low that pushed it down to this low. We saw that the market took a breather. In other words, it started going up, right? It started going up and they eventually got to this high for today, horizontal line. Let me mark out this very level as well. It went touched this high for today. And of course, we didn't really catch it. We didn't catch the sell on time, but we were able to still do something. So when he got there, look at this thing again. I can also mark out this resistance level, right? Marked out this resistance level. So marking out this resistance level, what else do I notice? Now notice that this resistance level is actually in the form of a lower high, right? This is in form of a lower high, showing that the sellers are the one in control. So immediately I spotted it because I knew when it went down to this very low. I knew when it dropped to a low of 8804. So I was waiting for the pullback to retest this very support resistance. So immediately it touched the resistance, then I waited for the confirmation candle, which I got on the 15 minutes time frame. I spotted the confirmation candle, and then yeah, we stepped in. You can see these three bearish candles, right? That's a confirmation candle that this sell was going to take place. So I marked out the entry, and then we stepped in, marked out my stop loss, which should be slightly above this previous highest candle, above 8844.86 or thereabout. So here is our stop loss, and then we stepped in for the kill. So that's just how I was able to mark out this very trade that has eventually hit TP. It's very simple, right? Trading is very simple. You just follow the trend, do what the trend is doing, and like I said, if you do not understand this, if you are still new to the trading, or if you're still getting confused, join our Telegram community of synthetic traders. I share signals, I share trading signals every day. Sometimes one, sometimes two. It depends on what the market is presenting to us. So join us on Telegram. Simply search as SolutionFX_HQ, or look at the comment section of this video. Just check the comment section. You're gonna see the link. Just click on that link, and then you will be launched into the community where you will keep receiving daily trading signals, which so far we've recorded over 95% win rate. Yeah, we are not bragging about that. Just check when you get into the Telegram, scroll through the previous messages and the previous analysis. You will see what we are talking about. All right, guys. So we are waiting for, this is the market we are waiting for now. This V10, we are still waiting for it to finally play out. So even though it's been doing a lot of funny things, right? Here is it. It went down to, he dropped to this very level before, Nice. It's now pulling back. Now I'm spotting something. I'm spotting a lower high, which is actually lending credence to the fact that this sell is still gonna continue. But let's just see how it goes. All right. So once this one plays out, I'm gonna update us on how I was able to arrive at this trading decision. Ciao.